disgusting out here. There's no clouds. The sun is shining on me. Don't touch me. It smells like sluts. Ugh. Gross. Oh, it's just so graphic. I want to be able to enjoy myself. I want to be able to go outside, take a walk, and not have to worry about the sun being in my fucking face, a beautiful landscape distracting me, people enjoying themselves and loving each other while I'm around. Nobody wants to see that. Only sluts do that. Whore it up in the park for everybody to see. Ruin my Sunday. It's November, why isn't it snowing? I mean, it's just disgusting. Cover yourself up. Like, whatever happened to good old-fashioned clouds? What has the world come to? Where the sun just thinks it can shine on the cascading rocks and the landscape can just shine with the sun? Like, the leaves are a brilliant hue of orange and red, and it's really freaking disgusting and slutty. I'm sorry, I said it. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Look at what I have. This is what, like, I hate about this time of year, is that it's like so warm and nice. I can take off my fucking socks and walk in the sand, and I can feel the beautiful sand granules between my toes, and it feels horrible. It hurts. I hate this. Who did that? It looks like a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of great fun. What a, you know, I'm done. I have to. Let's get the hell out of here. How many needles has he shared, huh? Do you smell that? It smells like love and joy with a little bit of compassion. Oh, it's foul. Oh my God, somebody let one out. Oh, look at that tree. Sick. Sarah, seriously watch out. There's a tree right behind. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Are you kidding me? Look how bright and beautiful that is. It makes me want to spit. See, the fact is, like, even though it's not happening right now, like, I know that children have played there and had a good time. And that's just, they should put a fence up. Now that's more like it.